Okay, today I'll be telling you how to disassemble and assemble your 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And first of all, is you turn it 45 degrees, so you have the corner in line with the other two sides. You finger on it, under it, or you can use a screwdriver if that's too hard, and place it on the table. I put it on the sticker, that way it doesn't wreck, because if you're gonna, so I got some petroleum jelly in mine, which makes it easy to move. Put it on the sticker, it won't wreck it as much. Now, here it's pretty hard to pull it apart, so you just go like that, and that bit should come out like butter. And same with all the other pieces on the top side. And you got the bottom two layers. Now, to do these ones, you just turn them up about 45 degrees. That one comes out. Turn it more, another 45 degrees. One more, a bit more, and turn it up to here. Now you're left with these couple pieces. And then you do it on the same side. Turn it 45 degrees for every piece. And the last two pieces should come out very easily. Now, you're basically left with a cross, and it's got 6 bits hanging out, and they can turn easily. Now what you do is, let's say we'll do the yellow side first, so we place it down. I'll find the yellow corner, yellow edge, so yellow and red. Now I go to, now put the yellow down here. I'll put it in between and turn it around to the red, and there we go. Now I'll do it on the opposite side, which is yellow and orange. So now I've got to find that piece. And then I'll show you again. Is you put it in here, and make sure it looks like that. So you just turn it, and as you see, it should help create a circle, semicircle. Then you do either the yellow and green edge or the yellow and blue edge. To do that, you grab your piece, and like this, you put it in at the corner, on the right place, up here in a gap. Just turn it around all the way, and this is how the cube works, by making one big circle so every piece can fit around. Then you're left with a cross without one down the bottom. Then you need your corner here, so that's the yellow, orange, blue, and the yellow, red, blue. Yeah. Yellow, orange, blue. To do that, you just simply slide it in, like that, turn it around, grab your other one that you need to put in. So you just slide it in, and there you go. Now I'm going to do the blue, orange, and red, blue piece. I find my blue, red piece. Here we are. Now I turn it around so I can face you. Now make sure the blue is on the right side. Then we get blues on the right side. You put it up here. Now you might have to use a bit of effort in this one. Just pop the piece in, or if you want to, you can turn it a bit. That's going to make it a bit easier. Now you look for the blue and orange piece. Same again. You can either pop it in or just turn it up a bit more. And there we go. We're back to the 3 by 2 by 2. Now I'm going to finish off the yellow side and the other side. So get the last yellow bit, put it in at the top, like this. So then I should turn. I just need to turn it around, and there we go. Now I've got to solve this edge, or this corner, and this corner. Here we go. And same again. I just slide it in the other yellow corner. I just slide it in. Now I've got the yellow, orange, yellow, red. Find it. Same again. I just slide it in, twist it. Same on the other side. Then the other piece, I just slide the edge in. I just slide the corner, and with this last one, I just pop it in again. Then I grab the right corner, slide that one in. Then I grab the edge, which in this case is the yellow one. This one's going to be a bit hard just to pop in. You might want to turn it. You might be able to do it without turning it. And you left it back to those three. And you do it fine. Get your two corners. And put them in. Now, sorry. Put them in again. And just pop it in. And there we go. Thank you for watching.